Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you where to find moved camera settings in iOS 26. Okay, so let's open settings and you have to scroll down until you reach camera section. And now let's start exploring the camera menu. So first of all, let's go to record video section, and this is the section where you can set resolution and frame rate for your videos and also for your slow motion videos. Here is another tab, record slow-mo, and this is the same as in record video. And also if you go to your camera, you can do that directly in your camera application. So switch to video mode, and now in the top left corner of your screen you see this quick toggle. So here as well you can adjust a different camera modes. So here you can select your resolution and also your frame rate. Yes, so now let's move on to formats and go to photo mode, and this is the page where you can select megapixels for your photos. Those are 12 megapixels and 24. Also there's an option to select 48, but that's only available if you have your resolution control turned on. So turn this on and let's go to camera, and I switch back to my photo mode. And now if I tap in my top left corner of my screen, I need to select this RAW mode to enable my 48 megapixels. Yes, and also here are different formats that you can use. Yes, and what else? You can enable grid on your photos if you need that. So as you can see, a little grid appeared on my screen. So that may be useful for you. Also, you can set level. This is this cross icon in the center of your screen, that's level. Also you can enable mirror front camera. So here are many options that you can set, that you can adjust to yourself. So I highly recommend you to go here and explore all those settings in order to have the best experience with your iPhone camera. So yeah, that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.